Um, Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to make Ayurveda way herbal tea. First, I put 1 cup of water and I put some holy basil leaves, which is tulsi, and other lemongrass. And I put some ginger, the mint. And now I'm going to put some ginger, shredded ginger. And now I have here already take some cardamom, then cinnamon, then some of the black pepper, and I have some long clove. So now I'm going to press, blend it in here, press, not in a real blender, but this is good fragrance and good for the health, better than the blender. This is this green tea is good for the digestion, good for the weight loss. This right now is 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm making this, and right now I'm making just 1 cup, but sometimes I make whole big thermos, so whole day stay hot and drink whole day. This is good for the during COVID time too. So it's be done in a minute. Just a minute. So you can boil it just around 2 minutes. So this is the herbal tea, green tea with lemongrass and tulsi and all the spices. It's still hot. It's real tasty. If you want a sweet, so you can put whenever it's happen cold. Not you never put the honey in the hot stuff, because it's the combination of food virudahara in Ayurveda way. So whenever it get cold, then you can put inside the honey, but honey need to be a clear Suddha honey. Yeah, so let's see. Yes, real yummy this tea. Put the honey later. If you are diabetic, don't put the honey. Thank you. And this is Dr. Neelam Chudasma, Ayurveda Dr. Neelam Chudasma from Life Ayurveda Wellness Center. I have my Facebook page, Life Ayurveda Wellness. My YouTube channel is Dr. Neelam Chudasma. My Instagram is neelam.chudasma. So please follow, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. So you have keep continue. I'm putting videos so you can get whatever the new information. Thank you.